Hello students, myself Mrs. Dimple Kundar from Seth Vidya Mandir English High School CBSE will continue Maths for Standard 2 lesson number 6 fractions. As explained in my earlier video, what is this? Yes, this is a type of fraction and it is half. One part is cut into two parts. So when a whole thing is divided into two equal parts is called half. We had already done this, and we also know that when we add both the parts we will get one whole back. So let's do one exercise based on the fraction half. Okay, identify the shapes of same color that will combine together to make a half. So now your figures are given. We have to find the same color. Okay, and combine means when we join them together you will get half. So whatever it is, and it should be same color and it should join to get one half. So now this is a square which has been divided into four parts, and one part of each square has been colored. Now we have to find the same color to combine to make it a half. Now when I need this is there, it is a 1/4 part, where I had also explained that when it is divided into four parts it is called as 1/4 or a quarter. Now I have to add one part here in such a way that it will be half. So now if I add this, it is will come on this side and it is not of the same color. If I add this, it is coming in the same part and it is also not the same color. So when I add this part and this part, or I combine these two parts, this shaded pink part will come here. So I can combine this part and this part of the square to make it equal to half. Okay. The second one, the circles. They are circles. Now circles are also cut into four equal parts, 1/4 part or a quarter, and again they are the same type, shaded in different shades, and 1/4 part is shaded of each part. And now what we have to do, we have to convert it into half. So what two objects will be joined to get a equal half? Yes, same color also is needed. So blue and 1/4 and 1/4. So I will be combining this part and this part. Just to put a tick mark in your textbook. Similarly, the C1, now it is a triangle which has also been cut into four parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I had told it should be equal parts also. So now we have to find which two triangles will combine to get a half. So, and the same color and same part. So it is these two triangles. Yes. So I will put a tick. So when we combine this square with this square, or this circle with this circle, and this triangle with this triangle, we will get exact half and it will be of the same color. I hope you all are understanding. We move in to the next question. Tick the correct halves that make a whole. One has been done for you. Now I had also told that fractions are equal parts. The part should be equal. It should not be that one part is big and one part is small. So now this apple has been cut into two parts, into two fractions, two halves. But which is the exact part? Now this 2 is exactly half. Whereas in this one, this part is smaller than this part. So this is the right answer. Now similarly, now we do other exercise, the B1. Now just looking at the figure, this is being cut in a smaller piece and this is in exact equal parts. So which one will I take, this or this? Yes, I will be taking this part. Okay. Now similarly, now what is this? Yes, ice cream. Now ice cream also has been cut into two parts. Now which part shows the exact equal parts, this part or this part? Yes, this part, because they are cut into equal parts and here this part is smaller than this. So it is here. Now this is what? Ice cream cone. Now again we have to find the equal parts. So it is this one or this one? Yes, it will be this one because here again this part is smaller, and as it is, fractions have to be equal parts. So I will put a tick mark out here. Easy? I hope you all are understanding. Okay, very good. I will continue later. Thank you.